Good morning, everybody. This is 2nd of this September 2025, the pre-market outlook session we met here for. See, based on the importance of the dates we are mentioning in the monthly market outlook report and even discussing in the subsequent meetings. As we have denoted that the 1st September is topping the list in the dates we have mentioned for the entire month of September. How was the day? Was the proof the market gives for us. So the day yesterday started with a cheer, the renewed strength we can say. The renewed strength it has actually shown on the charts in terms of behavior. In that way, the NIFTY holds the 24,400 as it has recently given a support or formed a support zone as during the recent Friday session, and after recording this 24,400 and odd levels, the low of Friday has been held by the NIFTY because of these kind of factors like renewed strength and based on the expectation it is having through the reform oriented announcement under the GST. So that only we have mentioned in today's report that yesterday's review in the way of GST euphoria lift sentiment light. So this euphoria not just a temporary cheer the market is having, like it is a prolonged one, at least for the minimum period of 6 months and a maximum of, based on the announcement the council is giving or the government side is actually producing. One can see the real impact on each sector and till the economy development. One can see the impact of this announcement which are going to be done between 3rd and 4th of September. Anyhow, that is taking place on Wednesday and Thursday, since the NIFTY's expiry from the September shifted to the Tuesday. This is the day for the weekly expiry of NIFTY, and for the Thursday it is for Sensex. So this kind of the changes and along with the bigger news and all, after all the behavior based strength it has gained yesterday. Altogether we want to say that the market is in a safe mode now. As long as it is holding the first, as we have mentioned in the yesterday's report even, the 1st of December's high and low should be noted. Until it is holding the low, one can start building or keep building the longs by minding 24,700 above close is very imminent to make or to have a continuous upward journey. Otherwise, it might be disturbed by the ongoing actions. So 24,700 above consecutively 2 days in a row closing by the NIFTY will be very crucial for making the further upward momentum towards 25,000 or 25,150 as a maximum for the month we have predicted. In case it is closing above the yesterday's high, means that is also coming inside the 24,700 levels. So nothing bigger change we can see if it is closing above yesterday's high. Conversely, if it is closing below the yesterday's low, that means around the 24,400 zone, one should note down it is also a important breakdown if it is happening. Very, very important breakdown if the Nifty breaks yesterday's low. It is going to write the fate of entire September month's destiny. So one should keep cautious on their long position by keeping stop loss as a break below, not even a close, we are telling a break below yesterday's low in the Nifty spot value. And once it happens, in case the positions can be shifted to short, the short buildups or buying put options can be initiated. So that is what, based on the review and even with the preview for the entire month also discussed now. This is trying to discuss for the day how it is going to be. As September 2nd is stepping into action, the markets for India is expected to open with a flat manner or with a stable manner. But this opening and all based on the global cues only we are actually tracking. After opening would be the very key point. So there is no hesitation for the market to move towards the 24,700 to 24,770 level, where we can expect some sort of selling through the way of short build-up or profit booking might come. So until 24,770 reaches by the Nifty, for the day traders, it would be an opportunity to build the long by having the space between the yesterday's close around 24,600 and 24,700 means almost 100 to 150 points of movement can be without any disturbance we can expect. Provided for the day also, yesterday's low is the strong support. So that should be monitored. It should not break the yesterday's support even for the day trading opportunities who are expecting, as well as for the positional trades. For the moment to be happened by the Nifty or but in the Nifty and the Sensex, we can say the sectors like automobile based on the sales data in a mixed way, maximum in a positive manner, the sales data came till now. Because of this, the automobiles momentum may be continuing, even though it has given a fantastic momentum yesterday. Along with the consumer durables, because of the GST's reform-oriented meeting, so the expectation for the consumer-oriented stocks, even it is FMCG or durables or luxurious items, discretionaries, whatever the thing, under consumer products, all the major stocks should be in focus. And after that, energy along with the Reliance Industries key momentum, it is still awaited that may hold the energy sector's overall movement. After Reliance, probability for refiners like BPCL, HPCL also can expect. And IT sector, it has started somewhat moving. The continuation from the mid and small cap space can be expected on the right. Finally, it is oil and gas, starting with the IGL based on news. The stocks like Gujarat Gas, Chennai Petro kind of stocks can be watched. From the stocks front, the day traders can focus the stocks based on news and technical behavior. Bajaj Automobile, Coal India, Hero Motocorp, Bharat Electronics, we also recommended. UPL, United Prosperous, Indraprastha Gas, Dixon Technologies and Fortis Healthcare. These are all the important stocks to be watched out for making a valuable prospects in the day trading. So that's it from today's pre-market space we can discuss. Hope you are following our reports, particularly to track the trend on the NIFTY and other indexes, along with the important dates and its significance, along with levels where and what we should follow. If not, please refer our monthly market outlook report as well as the weekly one to make your trading and investment decisions accordingly. Until then, we can conclude today's session. So we will meet again in tomorrow's one. We wish everyone to have a fruitful day. Thank you for your participation. Bye.